To test if really the GoPro Hero 8 is a good camera for vlogging, I'm going to do all of this video using the GoPro Hero 8. Roll intro. I just finished building this sandbox for my son last week, and I was thinking, what better way to test the vlogging capabilities of the GoPro Hero 8 than to make a vlog about it. So let's do it, okay? I just get all the sand, now it's time to put it inside. One of the things that you think when you look at the GoPro for a vlogging camera is that you cannot really see yourself. But normally this is not a problem with the GoPro, because you can choose this angle that is the linear, and you can be really sure if you're pointing the lens to you that you are yourself inside of the frame without any problem. And if not, you can use always the wide or even the super wide angle. For example, this is my favorite setting for vlogging. This is 4K at 25 frames per second, 25 because I live in Europe, in Germany, and in linear mode. This is the same 4K, 25 frames per second, but with the wide angle. As you can see a lot more around me. And this is also at 4K, 25 frames per second, but with the super view angle. You can see a lot more around me, but you also have this big fisheye effect that for vlogging I don't really recommend it, because it gets tired to watch after some times. But for example, if you are snowboarding or making all of these activities and you want to vlog when you're making it, why not? Then it's a good moment to use it. I like about the GoPro is the speed. You can really get this really nice looking slow motion. For example, using it at 1080p, 240 frames per second, you can make really cool effects with this. The setup that I use for vlogging with the GoPro, I'm using a Joby Gorilla Pod. I'm using the Olanzi cage with the microphone adapter for the GoPro, and I have the Rode Video Micro for the sound. I'm now going to do it without the microphone, so you can hear what this sounds like with the internal microphone. And this is the audio with the internal microphone from the GoPro Hero 8. What do you guys think? What sounded better, before or now? Tell me in the comments down below. This is the thing that I talk about in the review about the GoPro and the battery life. I have filmed already, I don't know how long, but probably 20 minutes or half an hour, and I'm right now at 29% battery. I have another battery, that is the good thing, but I think that really if you want to use this for vlogging, you should have at least another battery in hand or a power bank. I have to go to charge the camera, and to clean it is full with sand. Just look at this place. I just came to the house of my father-in-law to eat some barbecue. After I eat, we can go on with the review, okay? Oh, I'm full. Cannot even speak anymore. Two things that I wanted to tell you before I finish this video is all the accessories that GoPro have. They are really good to make this camera simply amazing. Why? Because you can mount it everywhere. You can use it in every situation, and it's going to give you really good ideas of what you can do with the camera. And another thing, yes, it's a really good camera for vlogging, but don't be expecting that in low light it's going to work. In the nights you can forget about the GoPro. You have to have a place that is really well lit, so you can use it. So think about this if you are going to choose the GoPro as your vlogging camera, okay? Will I recommend the GoPro as a vlogging camera? Yes, I do. I think the quality is really good. I think the sound is really good. And if you want only one camera to start, take the GoPro. So that's it from the video, guys. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. See you on the next time. Bye bye.